Hey everybody, welcome back to my stream. Today, this is going to be just a random stream. I might do this throughout the week. I need to print a little part for my son's mower. He has one of those little Power Wheels John Deere mowers. Uh, if you check down in, I'll leave a link down in the description after the feed here to if you want to go check out those videos. So what I did was I put a motorized mowing deck on it. It doesn't cut grass or anything, but the motor it raises and lowers. So I have a couple build videos on that, and yeah, check out those videos on that. But what he wants on his mower today is he hasn't ridden it for. See, I did that spring. Was it before or after my surgery? I can't remember. I did it a year ago, and he didn't want to ride it anymore. He's 7 years old now, but for some reason he just you know how kids are. He wants to start riding again. I don't even think he's gonna be able to fit on it. But anyway, he wants a little on mower decks they have that little water adapter, that water inlet for a hose to clean out your deck, which I think I don't like those. I don't like them. They're good. They'll destroy. They'll destroy mower decks. But anyway, he wants that little adapter put on his deck. So we're gonna print that real quick. And I figured since I'm printing something, I'm gonna design it in FreeCAD and print it. And I figured I might as well do a live stream of it real quick. This was completed last night. Well, actually this morning I think it was. Um, Turned out pretty good. We'll go over this in the actual live stream the tonight at 8:30 Eastern time. As you can see, I did use vase mode. I keep wanting to say it, but spiral. Um, so the colors did not blend well. Well, they didn't transform well. They didn't transition well. I'm still working on my third cup of coffee, so. But this was the filament. I didn't show you the actual filament. I know in the little picture it shows these colors, but you can see there are blues in here and purples. So I do like this filament. It prints pretty good. But yeah, we'll go over this. You can see there is a little bit of purple in here. Then it starts to go up into the green just very, very slightly. We'll go over all that in the feed tonight. Today, I'm going to be printing with the Overture, their matte gray. Now, I've been using this filament for quite some time now. I've used a lot of theirs, but for some reason, this matte gray, and I think it's just the pigment they use, it does give me problems from time to time. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of this here. I just have Creality up here. I keep wanting to say Creatality, but I don't know. Creality, I have their logo up here. The Overture is the filament I'm using, and the picture shows you what no what it looks like. I know sometimes I've been getting the cardboard rules. They switched over to cardboard, but some people might still get the plastic ones. I like the idea of them switching over to cardboard. Well, let's get right into Thingiverse. Or I'm not sorry, not Thingiverse. I still have a label. Like I said, this was a spur of the moment stream, so I'm still going off the settings I had from last night. Just changed a few things, so it might get a little rocky here. But let's switch over to FreeCAD and get this going. All right, we're here in FreeCAD, and before I go any farther, I want to make sure you guys are getting this. Um, like I said, it was a spur of the moment. I just tossed the chickens outside. Yeah, I have two chickens in my shed here in my shop. They're these little dinky little things. They're about the size of pigeons. I can't remember what they're called. They're my wife's chickens, but we keep them inside. They have their little coop here inside my shed. It's a fairly large shed. But anyway, I tossed them outside because it is almost 9:30 in the morning, and they are screaming like crazy. I'm just all right. Good deal. You're getting the audio, and I'm looking on my channel right now to make sure you're getting everything here. Okay, FreeCAD. Start a new file. Let's create a body. Let's create a sketch. What I need to do is I have a second monitor, but it has the old I can't remember what they're called. The old C something the old style plugs. And my computer actually has that. I was surprised when I bought this computer that it still has the old monitor connection on it. We'll start with the XY plane. I did add something to my to the printer camera. I added chat. I have it transparent, transparent background. So we might let me type in something real quick into that chat window and see if it's gonna come up. Let's see if it'll come up. And we're gonna switch back over to the printer real quick. No, it's not coming up. I'll work on that. I just did that before I started this stream, so let's go back into FreeCAD. Okay. What do I have these at? 2. Let's take these up to 5. I'm going to create a sketch here. We're going to do a 20 by 40. And I guess we can start right here. This is going to be 20. Oh, I did the wrong thing. What am I doing? Let's get out of this. I don't want a circle. I want this. I want to create an arch. So we'll do... Well, see, look, I'm doing it again. I keep doing... I want a diameter, but... I want a 20 mil diameter, but I keep doing it in radius. Or yeah, something like that. So there we go. Now we got a 20 mil. And I want to do a 40 long. So what do I have these at? 5. So there's 10, 20, 30, and that's 40. All right, and we'll take from here to here, from here to here. Now let's take a circle. That should be good. And this, oh, what size are the screws I'm going to be putting? Well, I can put a washer on there if I need to. So let's take this down to, you know what? Let's double check this. Yeah, let's do 2. I can always drill it out if I need to. There we go. Close this out. I should have constrained it, but I didn't. We'll pad it. Let's take this down to maybe 4 millimeters, I'd say. Yeah, let's do 5. Hit OK. Let's chamfer this. Why is that not working? I'm on my body's active. Well, you know what? That's not. It's gonna wear out anyway. Not sure why it wasn't working. Let's create another sketch because now what we're going to do is we're going to make the. Actually, this sketch is on the YZ plane. So we're going to make the part where the hose connects. Now I know he's going to. I know it that he's going to see this and he's going to want the hose to connect. our garden hose. He's going to want that, but you know that's just not going to happen. And we're just going to make a simple little thing here. What did I take that out to? 20, didn't I? We gotta go back into this. I'm getting a little confused here. Okay. Go back into this sketch. This is the sketch I want to go back into. Okay. So yeah, I have that. 5. So that's 10 across. Okay, so 5. Okay. Good deal. Let's go back into here. There we go. Now we got it. Take this up. Let's take this to 2.5. There we go. I'm just going to do something real simple. That's all I'm going to do. Something no, so he's happy about it. I should have moved that over. Okay. There we go. That will work. Let's go back into the sketch, and we're just going to take it straight down. Then we'll close it. And let's revolve this. We'll go back into the shaded solid view. And that's it. That is what we're going to make. So it's like a quick disconnect for a hose. You put the hose here, the attachment here, and then this is down where the mower deck is, and then you turn on your mower and it sprays water all over. I mean, I'm sure everybody's seen it. They came out now about a decade ago, and now it's on every mower. But I tell you what, though, I don't ever use mine. I think I might have used it twice, but I had to get some coffee there. I might have used it twice. All they do is spread water all through your mower deck, and you'll end up rusting out the deck a lot quicker than what it's designed to do. Well, not really designed to rust, but you know what I mean. So let's take this Do we need, no, we don't need to do any of that. And we'll export this. I'll save it. And let's go into Cura. All right. Here we are in Cura. Let me get into it. The stream last night went pretty good. I was watching it throughout the night. Went to bed and woke up, and two people commented. God only knows what in God's name they said. I did translate it, and it was, I don't know, it was just some strange garble. But hey, thank you for commenting on it, whatever it was. Let's see here, 3 models. But anyway, like I said, it went very well. No, not train stop. Murdoch. Oh, I should have smoothed it. You know what? I'm not even going to worry about that. He'll be happy with that, so I'd slice it and see what it's going to do. 29 minutes. Hey, so this is going to be a real quick print. Well, I better make sure that's not going to see this preview to see what it's going to do. Let's make this, we'll print it at 0.2. We should print at make it a little bit stronger. Let's do that. That's infill. Let's take the infill up to 50. Infill pattern. Let's do a grid. And let's take, let's see here, the wall line count. Let's take that to 4. And let's take, I'm trying to remember what, top layer 6 and 6. Yeah, that'll work. Let's make this concentric. Print temps 200. Yeah. Oh, let's preheat the bed while we're going through all this. I hope you guys enjoyed that stream last night. Let me know down below, in the comments there, what you thought about it. Let me, if you want to see something printed, let me know. I'm gonna lower. Print down to 50. What's going on here? No, that's okay. That's right the first time. I always do it around 50. Flows look good. Print speed, we're going to do it at 50. Cooling. I'm running dual, so I'm going to take this down to 60. Skirts, not that good. Slice it, see what we get. Probably going to be about an hour. Oh no, still 37 minutes. That will be a real strong part for him. All right, save this to the disk. I'll switch you guys over to the printer. And you can see there the attempts are coming up on the bed and the nozzle. I'm going to go into The Octoprint and load. I tell you what, though, this was when I had this, the Octoprint running off my Raspberry Pi. When I had that Pi connected directly to the computer, that this you'd click it, and the second after you click it, before you even took your hand off the mouse, it was up and loaded. Lower deck. There we got it started. Let's see what this. Let's see now. I went through and sorry, I got a bunch of things going on right now. Okay, I went through and set the reset my um, Z offset again for this. I saved it again, and you know what I didn't do? I have to go back into Octoprint. Oh no, my time lapse is off. That's nice. So it saved a time lapse. Good, good deal. It did say it finally saved. Like I said, my last night I kept having problems where my time lapse kept turning on, and I kept saving it as it, for it to be off, but it keeps coming on. That time it say now that time it didn't, which is good. So let's see how this offset works. We'll do the bed level, and okay. I tell you what though, running that cable yesterday, drastic change. I mean, I'm putting out 1080 at 60 frames a second, and I couldn't do anything like that without running that cable. I'm not getting any dropped frames here as far as the network. That was my biggest problem. So the network. I might have to up my memory in the computer though. I'm running this computer off of it's an HP. I do not have a dedicated graphics card. So I'm hoping I don't need one for this. So I'm just going to dedicate this computer strictly for this. The whole reason why I bought it, but one of the main reasons. One thing I did, I liked how at the end of my last stream, it automatically shut the stream down. I mentioned that in that stream, and that worked out pretty good. I was quite surprised. One thing I forgot to queue up my end screen, so it just displayed the model and shut down the stream. Because what it does is, the way I have it set up for is it goes to an end screen. Like you'll see the print head will come up, and it takes a couple seconds for that to come up. It will then, once it's up and triggers the hotkey, um, hits the micro switch, it will display the model for 30 seconds, and then it will switch to an end screen. And we better make sure that this bed leveling, this probe Z offset, seems to be okay. I'm at -1. I still have to work on my excuse me, my extrusion. I got that. I think I got my flows a little too high. See there, I'm not happy with how that. See, it varies, plus or minus 0.1. wonder if changing my I wonder if changing my layer size affects it. I'll have to reach out to Creality and see what they have to say about that. All right, so we got that printing pretty good. I tell you what I'm going to do with this stream, because I was just going to let it run and then not no have it go through and do the auto shutdown and everything else. But with this one, since this is unscheduled, I'm going to turn the macro off and I'm just going to let it print. We'll play some music for you. How long is this going to take? This is going to take, well, I'll watch it here. It says, that's strange. I just had my whole shed vibrate. Wonder what that was. It was like, it's almost like if somebody came up with a, with a lot of bass real quick. It's just like, it just shook my shed. Huh. I'll have to go back through the feed and see if you guys heard that or not. It had an audible tone, like a real low. Strange. That's very strange. This is a very large shed. I can fit like two, possibly three cars in here. So it's not some kind of small little shed. Yeah, I can fit three cars in here. That's very strange. Okay. There it is again. Is it my printer doing that? It's almost like if remember when you back in school. It's been like 20 years, 20 plus years since I've been in school. But when you take a chair or a desk and move it across hardwood, like a hard floor, you get that vibration, that blah, 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 that's what's going on. Okay. Well, anyway, here's some music, and I'll come back and we'll get this. See, there it is again. I wonder if it's my printer. No, it can't be the printer, can it? Very strange. There's a guy running a tractor around my shed right now, but in the field beside me. Wonder what they've been doing. They just cut the field last week and got everything up, but he's just running his tractor around. He did it yesterday too. I don't know what he's doing. Let's see here. I don't know what it is. Okay. Well, I digressed. Let's go into the music, and I'll see you in about half hour. All right. Print's almost done. It says, there we go. 2 minutes left. Roughly 2 minutes left. My farmers here, well, not my farmers, but my neighbors are farmers, and they were going around the fields here with their tractors, and they did it last night, and I thought they were looking for groundhog holes. They plant alfalfa and hay in the field that surrounds my house. Uh, I just went out there and was talking to them, and one of their planter discs came off. Because yesterday they were driving around their tractors around looking for it, and well, driving around, and I thought they were just, like I said, looking for groundhog holes. And they're out there now doing it, and they told me they lost that disc. So I'll have to go out and walk around and see what if I can find anything. They're gonna plant corn this year. They haven't done that in about 6, 7 years. I think the last time they planted corn, hey, they were finished. All right, I want to make sure I'm not. This is does not get. Make sure that macro is off, because if this goes up and it shuts off the stream, then it shuts off the stream. We don't want that. So bear with me for a second. Macro is turned off. There. I think that notification just came across your the audio came across that. It's not supposed to happen. I don't know. I'll get it figured out someday. All right, just hit the switch. All right, we're good. Oh, jeez. It's on there pretty good. Just let the bed cool down, though. But I'm impatient. Yeah, we're going to have to let this bed cool. But there's the part anyway. Nice, solid part. Oh, there we go. I have manual focus on, so it might be out of focus on you. But hey, there we go. Something simple. It's similar to the one that's on mine. I'll put this down on the deck. We'll drill a hole. Put a nut through there. A nut and a screw. Lock it down there. He's going to want a hole drilled through his deck too for this. So, but he'll be happy with that. Nice solid. He won't be breaking that. At least I don't think. He breaks things that I didn't realize that I never thought was breakable. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. And remember tonight, 8:30, another live stream. We'll go over this vase that we printed last night. We'll print with something. Maybe we'll do some TPU. I haven't figured it out yet. Anyway, have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tonight. Thanks.